Good morning, everybody. My name is Charlie. I work for Wikibase Solutions, and you just heard my colleague, Lisa Lott. And I'm going to talk a little bit about OpenCSP. Let me just, right. So we made a new version for OpenCSP. I already did a lot of talks about OpenCSP, but we made a version compatible for the latest LTS version of MediaWiki. OpenCSP, it's the Open Content Services Platform. I could read what's standing here. I'll do it quickly for the people that do not know what OpenCSP is. But it's an open source solution for digital content and knowledge management. It's built on MediaWiki. It has some powerful extensions that enrich it with a lot of functionality. It's independent, so as with MediaWiki, there's no vendor lock, ensuring your full control and flexibility, and it's very cost effective. So OpenCSP 3, basically we updated everything, making it MediaWiki 1.43 compatible. We modernized the complete tech stack, and it's 100% Parsoid compatible. It also has a minimal amount of extensions. It uses Semantic MediaWiki as a base. You got extensions for reading and writing to slots. You hear a lot about slots, but WS slots is the extension that makes it possible for you to actually use the MediaWiki MCR slots. There's an extension called WS Spaces that allows you to create dynamically spaces. Instead, normally you have to go to local settings and define your spaces, but you can do it from a special page and you have another namespace immediately. It comes with Wikisearch, which uses Elasticsearch or OpenSearch. I think it's OpenSearch nowadays, which gives you faceted search capabilities, including searching within the content of PDFs. So you're getting to the point of seeing that this is OpenCSP is for an enterprise wiki or a business wiki is going to be very powerful or is very powerful. Then PageSync, that allows you to actually also sync your wiki pages, content, files, whatever or whatnot you have as content within the wiki. You can also have it go to GitHub or wherever you want to store them. And FlexForm is used for the dynamic data entry. And I'll talk a little bit more because there's a new version of FlexForm that has expanded the Pandoc integration. So getting from, for instance, from Word to MediaWiki. What it also does from the get-go when you install it, it has a multiple file upload with image conversion support. So let's say you got a lot of PNG images, but you only want to store smaller JPEG images, you can do that as well. There's support for digital autograph support. So basically people can write their signature, but you can also do a screenshot support. Like for instance, you have a contract that you've shown and there's a signature where people can actually write their signature. And then the whole contract, including the signature, is saved as a file in the wiki. So that's very powerful. We have Excel to JSON conversion. So you can upload an Excel and it will go into the wiki as JSON. And you can do a lot of other things with that then. There's now full Pandoc control with image support. So you can upload a Word document. It will be converted to wiki text, including all the images, but we've now added extra features where you can also say, okay, I want to convert from PowerPoint to Wikitext, or I want to convert whatever Pandoc allows you to do, you can. And you can also add additional arguments. For instance, a Lua filter. I actually had to do that a couple of days ago, where we had a lot of Word documents we needed to convert, but all the numbering people might recognize when they convert Word documents, the automatic numbering within a Word document, it always fails. But if you run a Lua filter, you get control over the conversion and you can actually get those things right. What's also possible now is you can not only convert, for instance, a Word document to a file page, or to a page, I should say, but you can also upload the original document as well. And it's even possible to upload the original document and have the converted text on the file page. So that's really, really nice. And you can also use a specific Pandoc version as well. Usually, when you have a server somewhere online, you get a specific Pandoc version for that server, but you don't have to. You can make your own Pandoc version, and you can use that as well. And there's an example of the settings for the local settings, how you can actually define that. And you can also say, you can also limit what can be converted. So in this case, we say we're allowing Pandoc to be converted to MediaWiki or HTML, because HTML you can put inside a widget if you'd like. And you can only convert from a docx or a PowerPoint. And we're also saying that we allow additional arguments, but the only one that is allowed is the Lua filter argument. So you can actually really specify that and make sure that it's safe. So was that, for who is OpenCSP? I already kind of told you that. It's basically for if you want to run a corporate internet, or you want to have a knowledge base, or you need some project or process management, or you need a compliance or HR platform. Actually, are all a complete. We are an ISO certified company, and everything that has to do with ISO is inside, well, OpenCSP basically. And of course, you can create custom enterprise applications for whatever you need it. It's really powerful. And with OpenCSP 3, we're going to update opencsp.org. I had that on the first page, the website, opencsp.org. There's already some new media, and we're going to have the new 3.0 GitHub repo ready, I think Monday or Tuesday. It's already ready, but we need to upload it and make sure that it's got the right documentation. And that's it. I told you I'll be quick because of the time issue. So
That's amazing. Thank you, Charlie.
you're welcome.
Awesome.
If there's any questions, please let me know.
Awesome. Do we have any questions in the room?
Hi, Charlie. Has the next version been released yet? Is there a release schedule planned?
It's done. It's Monday or Tuesday. We just need to upload to the GitHub repo.
Oh, great.
Yeah, so it's gonna have a branch for MW143, and we just finished the install script and tested it, I think 2 weeks ago. But my colleague that handles that has been away for today, so I wanted to have it done by today, but it's going to be Monday.
Wonderful. Any other questions? Any questions on the live stream? Okay. Thank you, Charlie. Thank you for helping us get caught back up.
No problem at all. Have a great day, you people.
You too. Take care.
Bye-bye.